everyone, assalamu alaikum. I'm back again with another video, and today you'll never guess who sent me another package, and that is Quest. And we have a lot of stuff to unbox today, and surprisingly none of it is food. Most of it is actually clothing, which is shocking coming from a brand like Quest. But I'm so grateful to have this box and it be given to me. I'm so happy that I even got this. I wasn't expecting it, honestly. It was a big surprise when it came in the mail. Like, what is this? My parents are like, what is this? Did you buy something? I'm like, no, it just came. So anyway, here's what I got. I got this tie-dye sweatshirt. Has Quest on the front, and on the back there's like a cute protein bar. It says Quest protein bars, now better, softer, yummier. But it's a cute color. It's a tie-dye rainbow. And then I got this zip-up jacket with a hoodie and everything. And I think this has Quest, yeah. It has hashtag on a quest on the sleeve. And it's a very soft material. And it's honestly perfect if you're just feeling a little cold and you need, something to cover up just a little bit. And then they gave me a water bottle. But it's not just any water bottle because, guys, on the top of the water bottle, there's these wireless headphones. And they just fit inside your bottle. And then the bottle has Quest on it. But it's so cool that it comes with these headphones that you can connect to your phone. And then when you work out, they're like AirPods. And when you work out, you can listen to your music and just distract yourself from the pain of exercise. Yeah. And it came in this box. But it's custom, which is cool. And then I got this little letter, which is Happy Holidays Quest Squad, which is cute. Then they gave me this baking tray dish, which is like a silicone, so it's non-stick, basically. You can bake your cookies, bake your treats. It says Quest Bake Shop. It's basically cheating. It's cute. And then there's more, guys. There's more. There's this tank top, Quest Nutrition, just like something to wear when you work out. And then last but not least, we have another hoodie. It's not a jacket, it's a hoodie, but it says hashtag on a quest. And yeah, that's what I got. They gave me a lot of stuff. I honestly wasn't expecting all of this stuff. It was a big surprise to me. And it was a big shock. But I'm so happy that I got these products, that they sent me something again. So thank you so much, Quest. I'm very appreciative of what you gave me. And I'm happy to share what I got. Anyway, that was the video. I'm also happy because I passed my driving license test today. So today, alhamdulillah, thank God, it's been a good day. And I'm so happy to share what I got today with all of you guys. And I hope all of you are doing well. And this is the end of the video. Just a short, sweet, simple video. And I hope you, I hope you all are doing well. And be sure to like. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then you can subscribe. If you're not watching it on YouTube, you're still watching it. Anyways, thank you guys so much. You can visit my Amazon storefront to find all my books and all my latest releases. And you can also check out my website, ayaana.com. And I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great new year. And hopefully the rest of this year is great for all of you. Bye!